So hi everyone, I'm back recording this other problem that I told you all that I felt that's where we had the most questions. So going back to the segment addition postulate, so just to review a little bit on the other video, we came to a conclusion that the segment addition postulate would be AB plus BC equals our AC. In other words, part 1 plus part 2 equals part 3. Pretty simple. So in this next problem, which is number 4 in the handout that says examples on your file section, it says if TV equals 14x minus 8, go ahead and find TU. So, okay, right? So, it's already given to us that TV, which is our part 3, which is our total, part 3, it's given to us in the problem that it is 14x minus 8, right? And they're asking us to find TU. So they're asking us to find part 1, which is point T to point U. So TU is labeled as 9x plus 2, right? So TU is your part 1. So TU, or should I say segment, TU is 9x plus 2, right? Then our part 2 is UV, and we know it's 5, right? So part 1 is 9x plus 2. Our part 2 is UV, and we know it's 5. And we know it equals our total, which is TV, which is point T to point V. Let me circle it. TV equals 14x minus 8. So let's label it, right? So let's go ahead and start, joining the like terms. So we have 9x over here, we have 14x over there. We're going to subtract 9x, subtract 9x. This x is out. We have 14 minus 9 is 5x minus 8. And over here, this x out, and then we have 7. 7 equals 5x minus 8, right? So then on this one, we can go ahead and do plus 8, so we can get rid of that one, plus 8. We x that out. We have 8 plus 7 is 15. We bring down our 5x. We need x by itself, so we divide by 5. So we are left with x equals to 3, right? Okay, we're not done here though. The problem was asking us for TU. It says find TU. Okay, so TU is this, 9x plus 2. Point T to point U is 9x plus 2. So we know x equals to 3, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to put 3 into that x. We're going to substitute our x for that 3. So we'll move it to this side, okay? So that it doesn't feel so cramped down there. So we know that TU equals to 9, 3, because we are substituting this 3 into our x, plus 2. So we know that 9 times 3, of course, is 27 plus 2, right? So once we add that, we know that TU equals to 29. This, boys and girls, is what the problem was asking us for. So we found TU to be 29. But first, key point here, first we had to solve for x, so we could substitute the x that we found, we could put it in here. So we put it in here. We could find our total of TU. So we're gonna end with that one. And tomorrow, we're gonna go ahead and work on more problems. So what you're gonna do today is go ahead and find that file. So go into our team and go into files and look for unit 1. It says U1 D3 examples. Try to work on examples 5 and 6, just so that you have a feeling of breaking down a problem and working on it. So I know for problem 5, we already got the answer and we got a correct answer. So we did have a few, or I had a few students who sent me some of the work. They did go ahead and work some of the problems, and they did great. But I want everybody to get it before we move on to our next lesson, okay? So no worries. Go over these 3 videos that I posted, which is 2 that I made and 1 that I posted from someone else, and review that and try to work on a few problems on that example sheet, so that tomorrow, in case there's still any questions, I'm able to answer them and we don't waste so much time, because we do need to move on. But I do want you to look over this. So I do want to thank you all so much for your time in your evening. But yeah, we'll see you all tomorrow, and then we'll go from there. Thank you all very much. Have a good evening.